Little Blue Truck's Christmas, published by Houghton Mifflin Harcourt in Boston, Massachusetts. Written by Alice Schertle, illustrated by Jill McElmurry, and brought to you by BonBon and Lovey. Beep, beep, it's the most wonderful time of the year. Little Blue Truck is spreading cheer by delivering Christmas trees to his animal friends. Can you help count each green tree? Don't forget to save one for Blue. And now, story time. The Little Blue Truck's Christmas. Beep, 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 December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. Five trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? One tree, two trees, three trees, four. Just enough room for one tree more. Five green trees make one big load. Beep, said Blue, let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Honk, said the goose. This big one, please. Now there are four green Christmas trees. Moo, said the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are three green Christmas trees. Oink, said the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are two green Christmas trees. Ma, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there is one green Christmas tree. One tree left in a little blue truck. One tree left. What very good luck. Little Blue Truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. Thank you for listening. This has been BonBon and Lovey with the Little Blue Truck's Christmas. Written by Alice Schertle, illustrated by Jill McElmurry, and brought to you by BonBon and Lovey. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.